Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to hard reset Pixel 8 Pro using hardware keys. Make sure to turn off your Pixel device. Long press the power button. Now tap on a power off in the power menu to shut down your Pixel device. After shut down your Pixel, long press the power and volume down at the same time until recovery mode screen appear. Now you can see the start menu by default. Now press the volume down button until you can see recovery mode option. Now press the power button to enter into recovery mode. Now you can see Android robot exclamation mark with no command. Now long press the power button and press the volume up once to enter your Pixel 8 into recovery mode. Now scroll down, press the volume down button until select the Pipe Data Factory Reset option. Now tap the power button. Here you can see cancel. Now press the volume down to select Factory Data Reset. Press the power button to factory reset or wipe all your data on your Pixel device. Make sure to back up your important data before performing this action. It will remove all data from your Pixel 8, 8 Pro and other Pixel devices. So first of all, back up your data after factory reset using these settings. That's it. If you like it, share it.